It is base camp day today.
Over 5,000 metres for 8 days. Now we're looking at the place.
Hiya guys, we are Nathan and Hannah.
And this time on Fool's bucket list we trek towards EVEREST Base Camp!
Living a life of luxury. It is base camp day today. I'm happy now because I'm feeling all good, but this morning when I woke up I felt absolutely dreadful. I had a banging headache. I just didn't feel myself at all. But that was at 4:30 this morning. Just took half a Diamox and some paracetamol, had some breakfast and a drink and feeling much better now. It's about 6:30 in the morning and we're just leaving and it's going to be a big day.
Feels very real now as well because it's the first day where we've all sort of had to do like kit checks and everyone's sorting everything out. We've got all our layers on, so morale is high, but it's going to be tough. We've got 10 hours of hiking today in the snow, hence why we're setting out at 6:30. Very quiet this morning. Just want to get there now. So close but so far away. Because I feel like an onion. Got 2 base layers, t-shirt, fleece, down jacket, hat, gloves, hand warmers.
Yeah, there's not much to report really. On the start of this walk it's just snow, taking it steady, going really slow. The clouds are lifting now though, so that's good, so hopefully we'll get some good views in a bit. Yeah, like Nate said, I think we're all just being really quiet this morning, which makes a change. So we've just stopped for a little break to have a drink. We've just walked all where those people are, where you can see people. There's a lot of people today. We've just walked there, it's been pretty flat, and then going forward we're going to start our ascent right up there. Yeah, just take it real slow.
I think our sock's trying to kill us off. It don't look like much on the video, but we're over 5,000 metres now and it's going to take it out of us, that is, slow and steady.
I didn't think I was going to feel warm today.
Nor did I. The top of the hill has now turned into Napoli Flat.
So we've just got to this point now. It's been a tough trek up until this point, and just over there in the distance you can slightly see the tents at EVEREST Base Camp.
Then you see like a mushroom, big one is Mount Pomoris, 7,161 meter high from that mountain. So we had an avalanche in 2015 and a few people die at the base camp. Many people suffer from the avalanche. It's before the tent, there's base camp for the trekker, okay?
Mount Everest!
So we're about half an hour away from Gorokshep now, and it's been one tough hike, hasn't it now?
Oh, brutal.
Yeah, it's brutal actually, because the air's so thin it doesn't make it easy. So if anyone's under the impression that the EBC trek is easy, I'd say up until probably Dimbashi, it's pretty tough going. Yeah, but the views are absolutely stunning. Like, I've never seen anything like it. They are amazing, and it's just such an experience, isn't it?
Truly.
Yeah.
We're just on 2.45 mile, probably just over 3 hours. It feels like we're doing like 10. It is tough, honestly, it's tough.
As well as trying to manage keeping your breath with the altitude. We're on a flat bit now, but one of the hardest things to manage is trying not to fall over and break an ankle, because you're just walking on rock and it's so slippy, and it's just taking it real slow. Now it's nearly falling over, so it's all just about having patience to get there. But you're struggling and then you look and it's just like, you just feel like you're in a dream, don't you? Like you can't believe that
This is a proper winter wonderland.
yeah, like there's no words for it, it's indescribable.
For me, I have a lack of concentration, and I feel this path, considering how high we are, it's really slippy, it's cold, loose rock, people coming both ways, it's real hard to concentrate. Gorak Shep, where are you? Where's Gorak Shep, Anne?
Just there, I'm so close.
And what time is it?
5202 is the time.
AKA 10:25. I never thought I'd be excited to see Gorak Shep. It's a bit bigger than I thought, actually. Where's Gorak Shep today? It's the final push. We're just leaving Gorak Shep and we have 3 hours to base camp.
Excited to get there.
Yeah, and then 2 hours to come back.
Not excited for that.
Yeah, it's just there. And the Kuma ice field looks epic. It's so
does.
close now. It's amazing. It's picked me up a bit now. Yeah. Back there I was feeling like I could sit down and go to sleep. But yeah, it's a tough day. I feel like we're on autopilot now. So close. So close.
Shoelace tie 528. So we're really not too far away from hitting base camp now, so it's super exciting. Yeah, just plodding on, keep going through all this rocky terrain, and sometime soon we should hopefully be at the base camp. It's really hard to film though, because obviously we've just got to keep moving and it's hard to keep your balance and you really have to watch your step. And then there's loads of people on the trek as well behind you, so you can't really stop, you just have to keep on moving.
It's such a weird feeling right now. Just to put it into perspective, we put 2 planes from the UK, one little one from Kathmandu. We've been trekking 8 days and now we are looking at the destination that we have been hunting about 4 years now. Wow. Well done!
Yeah!
We did it! Thanks, Asok. Thank you.
You would not believe how busy EBC is. There's so many people.
Especially because we can't see anything else.
I know.
Damn right.
Can I have 1 minute, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my god. Are you okay? you want some help? It's still a mosh pit of people. I can help you get out. Oh my god, it's a nightmare. Oh my god.
I'll go block on the other side.
Do you really think we can see your sign? That's the tiniest sign I've ever seen in my life. Is it still recording, do you think? Yeah?
Oh, it's gone off now. I think your phone's dead.
Right, we are nearly back in Gorishep. The walk back, not gonna lie, horrible. 2 hours of cloud. In Gorishep, we are staying in the Himalaya Lodge. Come on, take a look inside. This tea house is the busiest one we've had so far on the trek, mainly because it's the closest little settlement to Everest Base Camp. But on the plus side, because it's busy, the common room where we all eat and chill out is quite warm.
At least it's pink.
So I was under the impression that this tea house, the toilet was outside, but I can confirm it's inside. I'll take you there now. So this is what we have, and you can see what it's like without having the smell. Napoli's flush. Oh, I'm proud of us. Well done.
Well done, babe.
Well done. Right guys, we're going to leave this video here. I hope it goes out to the right people because it is doable, and if you're thinking about doing it, I hope this has given you a more realistic approach of what to expect. It's not easy, it really isn't easy, but it is doable.
Well, that's it. Nothing worth having comes easy, does it? So you do need to expect the challenge, but once you've reached the base camp, you know, you will feel absolutely elated. And it's not just that, it's the journey to get to the base camp, the people that you meet, the scenery that you walk in amongst. It's absolutely incredible. It's like a once in a lifetime, isn't it, really?
Yeah, if you do it with a group. The group is amazing. We've all carried each other through our ups and downs.
Yeah, and believe us, there's been massive highs but also massive lows as well, so just be prepared for that. But overall it's been absolutely incredible, hasn't it?
Yeah, so cheers guys. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new around here, why not hit subscribe or check out some of our older videos. See you later.
Bye. It's 4:30. Got an hour and a half left to go.
I thought going down was supposed to be easy. A bit mentally draining processing that.
So yeah, it's looking promising that this day is nearly going to be over.